that partnership between Javed and Inzamam al-Haq, 87 of 64 balls, has put Pakistan in with a big chance, and the pressure now really on the New Zealanders to defend this total of 262. Umpire Shepherd standing there as cool as a cucumber. I'm not sure about John Wright, the acting captain. He's trying to get the field. Great final, David.
It's all building up tremendously here, and no one's going to worry about taking that. There's still place in the field, and he's going to make sure he gets it absolutely right. Certainly sudden death here at Eden Park. 35 runs required, 30 balls to be bowled. The crowd all sitting on the edge of their seats. Full house at Eden Park, around about 40,000. Morrison the bowler. Pushes it. Javed's a bit slow, he doesn't pick it up. For once, Harris doesn't pick up. He's been brilliant at cover this time. Doesn't pick up the half volley. There's been a lot of run-outs in the World Cup. They are so important in the final. Off of the table. Obviously, Australia have been knocked out already, but England they're in there. South Africa in there. Pakistan, well, they've done it the hard way. They've not run people out. 2 for 7 off 50 overs. They batted beautifully. Crowe, a magnificent 91. Great support from Rutherford with 50, but now the great performer, Javed Miandad. He's as cool as a cucumber and across. He's been there a fair while for his Imran and Ramiz Raja, 44 apiece. 29 balls remaining. Javed chips it to mid-on, just the single. You can see Wasim Akram, he'll certainly go for it. He's such an excitable cricketer with the ball, Wasim Akram. He's flat out with the ball. There's Javed giving instructions. Find the gaps, take your time. Javed 51 of 63 balls faced. A strike rate of big hitter, short boundaries, around the wicket to Wasim Akram. Harris for cover, no run. It's a dot ball. Listen to the crowd. Well, every dot ball counts. He's watching from the bottom of the stand there. Powerless to control what goes out on the field. That's in the hands of John Wright. Already Martin Crowe's done a lot this competition, and 91 again today. Set his side on the way to a big total. It's a horrible feeling. And John Wright there, he's the man who knows what to do. He's been through this before, but not in a World Cup semi-final. Well, runs are on the board, aren't they, for New Zealand, so they're still favourites, but one feels that Wasim Akram's very toey on strike. There's stump vision. You see Danny Morrison coming in around the wicket to the left-hander. Full toss, he beats it, that go all the way, that's 4. That's what Pakistan wanted. It was a full pitch. Wasim Akram new to the crease, got back to ball. Well, John Wright knows that Wasim Akram is very strong over long on, and he's not got a man on the cover boundary, so Akram giving himself room. And he's found the gap. That's perfect placement. Just what Pakistan and Akram needed at this stage. Morrison just straying in length there. A little bit too full and giving the batsman room to hit. Imagine how the ball feels in John Morrison's house. He's commentating in the commentary box next door. It's all happening. It's got to be a wide, and it's called. Morrison pushes it down leg side. Umpire Shepherd, who's had a great series, calls wide. David Shepherd very confident in this call here. There's a lot of pressure out there for these boys, and you're definitely under the spotlight. You've got 40,000 of your home crowd here watching and looming at the end of a match. That is pressure. And that was the first wide bowled by New Zealand in the innings. So they bowled quite tidily. He's hit that down the mid-off. There's a sweeper. Latham just the single. Pakistan are doing enough here. They're certainly batting with a lot of confidence. Javed Miandad, the master batsman, tactician, controlling things in the centre. Getting great support from Wasim Akram. Inzamam al-Haq, what a gem of a knock that was. Inzamam played like a man who'd been playing World Cup cricket semi-finals all his life. He came in when the situation was looking bleak for Pakistan. He timed the ball, he controlled the ball, he kept his head. And it was only brilliant fielding from Chris Harris that eventually ran him out. And that was a perfect innings at a perfect time for Pakistan. Javed just pushes the last ball of the over to the wicket, no run. It's 5 for 236.
Field, but off the field you really can't do much.
Well, that's it. Javed Miandad. He's a potentially lethal striker of cricket ball. Hasn't been in great form during this World Cup, so he'll be feeling the pressure
just as much as all the other players out there on the field.
I'd say everybody here at Eden Park's under pressure at the moment. It's a magnificent semi-final. A quality match. It's Watson. Gets a leading edge and it beats cover point. They're through for one. Wasamackram's quick. He's coming back for the second. He's very fast. Here's the throw. He's home.
Racing down the track there, Wasim-Akram. Johnson came sprinting back again. The Pakistani supporters making as much noise as they can. They're outnumbered here today at Eden Park, not surprisingly, but they'll be just as noisy.
Watson around the wicket. He's charged. He's bowled in. Oh, a valuable wicket for New Zealand. Wasim-Akram clean bowled for 9. That's 5 for 238.
Well, if anyone's kept the cool head, it's Willie Watson there. He's kept the ball up, he's kept it straight, and he's defeated Wasim-Akram's belligerent intent. But the perfect line and length from Willie Watson cramps him up, and he's come off the toe, off the pad, onto the leg stump, and Pakistan's hopes dealt another.
For grabs. It was a vital wicket by Watson. He's remained cool. He's only a putter, Willie Watson. He's a good Gen 9. At 6 for 238. Now only 4 wickets in hand for Pakistan. Admittedly Jarvis at the other end, but the run rate required 6.81.
Pakistan, so they've certainly dragged it back from that. And there isn't much margin for error left now. Miandad, of course, the man in charge of the Pakistan innings. He's got to dominate from now on.
It's Mohan Khan, the wicketkeeper, coming out. John Wright. He's hard to be pounding away, the acting captain. It was a vital wicket because Wasim-Akram was all firepower for Pakistan, so the big guns are gone as far as hitting is concerned. Has to be placement now for Pakistan. No run, man's very short. Backward point, that's right himself, about 10 metres from the bat. This time he beats him. It's a single, Javed on strike.
There's certainly plenty of atmosphere here at Eden Park this afternoon. It's a capacity crowd.
Mohan Khan having a word to Javed Miandad in the centre of the pitch.
Around the place looking cool, calm and collected. He's had a...
Right. Drive straight. There's a man at long on. Mohan Khan through quickly for the first. That's all. So the run rate ticking up. They really need a boundary here, Pakistan. They want to leave it 2-8. Bad ball, and that's 4. That's what they needed. Watson bowling a rare bad ball, and Mohan Khan sweeping it past the fine leg inside the circle. It's gone all the way for 4. The over is bowled at 6 for 244.
Cool.
Full toss, and he just glides down the third man. They surely look for 2. He falls over. Deepak Patel. The pressure showing here at Eden Park. Poor piece of fielding. Concedes the extra run. Drives into the gap. Get 1. It's Harris. They won't take the 2 here. He's fielded brilliantly. He does it again. The throw's wild, but he was quickly to the ball. Harris a star in the field for New Zealand.
Chris Harris very quickly across the ground at deep cover there. Javed Miandad correctly deciding not to risk it on this occasion, coming back for 2. As it turned out, of course, the throw was wide and they'd have made it comfortably, but that's not the risk you want to take with a game. The man's come in from deep cover and the move, and the field's down the leg side.
Full pitch, doesn't get it away. Harrison hits the stumps, ricochet, not out.
And he's hit the stumps yet again. Again, very, very close, but again, no way that decision was going to go against the batsman. He's been very accurate, Chris Harris, with his throws all day.
Yes, he's been superb. He gets 10 out of 10 for his fielding under pressure. Nicely placed. It's wide of the man at mid-on. They'll go back for 2. Safely back. Good fielding by Rod Latham, the substitute fieldsman, but Pakistan now, if they keep it now. Oh, he's got away fine. Patel's coming around. This time he picks it up cleanly. They're coming back for the second. Here comes Javed. He's struggling. He's there. Good running. The throw was wide. So Patel under pressure once again at third man. He picked it up beautifully, but it was a wild throw.
Well, Mohan Khan has picked out Deepak Patel as a man to put under pressure down at third man.
Final ball this over. He doesn't get a run. It's well bowled. It's the over. The 48th over's bowled. 6 for 251.
Pakistan need 12 runs to win with 12 balls remaining.
He's charged, he's got a thick edge, it's gone to Watson at third man inside the circle, just a single. So Javed looking to hit down the ground, found the outside edge.
We end up.
He's prayed and he's missed, that's bad. He must put bat to ball or pad to ball. There's only 2 men close in. Short cover, short mid-wicket. And the pressure building with every ball here at Eden Park.
Comfort of the commentary box to call the shots. Moeen Khan there trying to angle this down directly to third. Now there is a man there very fine.
Short as well. He swung it. Backward to square, just a single. Good positive throw to the bowler's end. So the tension building with every delivery here at Eden Park. Greenwood just with 4 boundaries.
The teeth of the breeze here, the teeth of the gale.
He's charged, he hit it straight down the ground as a man defending, long off. He falls over, but just a single. So it's not over yet. Look at that crowd, the tension's enormous for the spectators. They've been here since 8:30 this morning. They've been cheering every run when New Zealand was batting. Now the boot's on the other foot. Big hit, it's gone for 6, it's going all the way. That's 6 over off.
Talk about good timing. That was beautifully struck. And if ever Pakistan needed 6 runs, this was the moment for it. He's taken the long handle to it, he's sliced underneath it. 10 rows.
Cast. He's pulled it, man out there at square leg, he's defending, it's going fine, it could go all the way, he's coming around quickly, we dive. That's 4 runs. And Pakistan have won the first semi-final at Eden Park. A magnificent performance by Javed Miandad into the no-huck. And look at that, look at Javed. What a performance from the veteran. A magnificent when you're chasing 262, you have to do all the hard work.
Well, the entire Pakistan team has raced onto the field, and no wonder. This has been a fantastic batting performance by Pakistan. 263 was the target. Always looked a stiff target. At one stage, the run rate required was up to 8, 9 and over. Wickets kept falling. Key men got out. Inzamam ul Haq played a genuine innings and then stand to victory.
Well, yes, we've seen some great matches in one-day internationals, but none better than this one here at Eden Park. New Zealand won the toss. They batted well. They scored 262 for 7 off 50 overs. The captain was magnificent, scoring 91. And then Pakistan in reply have done it.
It's only in the last few days, ironically, their first defeat coming against Pakistan at Lancaster Park at Christchurch. A completely different sort of match, a much lower scoring game there. But here at Eden Park in the crucial semi-final, there's no second chance here. Pakistan have come out on top and they've thoroughly deserved their victory. They batted very well when it counted. The disconsolate Kiwis now taking what would have been a glorious lap of honour in front of their home crowd had they got into the final. Now you can see the disappointment etched on their faces. They will...